Greetings, scholars. I want to take a few moments to talk to you about the first unit that we're going to do, the reaction paper. If you notice here, you have the reaction paper module overview, and I want to go over the three things that you're going to do this week for the reaction paper. So this week is all about you understanding exactly what a reaction paper is and you completing some assignments geared toward helping you to understand what you're going to do for the paper. So if you look at this, I have your objectives here for this week. There are only three. You students will be able to identify the elements of a reaction paper. You should be able to identify the elements of reaction in an assigned video. And you should be able to identify the elements of reaction in assigned articles. Okay, so that's what we're going to focus on this week. And the videos that you're going to watch, the articles that you're going to read, will be the topic that you will discuss in your papers. So I want you to pay very close attention to the videos and the articles. Now, one thing that I'm not going to do for this unit that I did for the last unit, I gave you a bunch of individual videos that covered each individual assignment. I am pretty sure you did not watch those videos. So what I'm going to do from this point forward is condense everything for you so that the video may be a little longer, but I will cover everything that you need to know about the assignment so that you can get started on the assignment and not worried about watching a bunch of videos. So let's do this. From the last unit, you know that this unit or this week's assignments are set up into content folder, activities folders. Everything that you need to complete the activities are in the content folder. So let's talk about the content folder. So the first thing in the content folder that you're going to come across is the discussion video, What is Reaction? And I need you to watch that video carefully because I do give you helpful information and I do provide a good discussion on what a reaction is, okay? You also have attached to that video the handout, How to Write a Discussion Paper. And remember, this handout you will be quizzed on in the activities folder. So study the highlights on the document. Make sure that anything that is in bold print, anything that is underlined, anything that is highlighted in yellow, make sure that you study that information so that you can do the best job you can on the quiz, okay? You're also going to see in the content folder, there are 3 videos for reaction that I want you to watch. Now listen to me carefully. These 3 videos vary in length. I think the shortest one is maybe 9 minutes, but you have a 23-minute video, you have a 19-minute video. So make sure that you watch the videos, that you have enough time to do the videos, to watch the videos, so that you can get your assignment done, because you're going to write me for assignment number 2, the videos for reaction. You're going to take notes on those videos. You're going to jot down the main arguments. You're going to jot down your reaction. You're going to jot down the reaction of the people in the videos. So once you jot down that information, you're going to have to give me your summary of that information, and that assignment is here. Assignment number 2 for the videos for reaction. Pay attention to my instructions. I say that those summaries have to be 8 to 12 sentences, and I mean those summaries have to be 8 to 12 sentences. Can you go over 12 sentences? Absolutely. But you should not submit an assignment to me that has less than 8 sentences. If you do, I will deduct points, and I will count the number of periods to give me the exact count of sentences that you have, as well as evaluate the information that you put in those assignments. So be careful with that. You have 3 articles that you're going to read, okay? The 3 articles pertain to the topic that you're going to discuss for the reaction paper, so make sure that you do that. The last thing that I want you to make sure that you do is look at number 5, the reaction paper topics and guidelines, okay? So all of the videos, all of the articles relate to your topic. You are going to be free to shape the topic any way you like, and I'm going to go over that for next week when you are actually writing the paper. But I do want you to look at the topics and look at the guidelines to make sure that you understand what is required of you before you begin the assignment. No, you may not use your own topic for this assignment. Use the topic that I suggest for you on the guidelines. Failure to do so will result in you failing that assignment. So be careful about that. So basically, this is the reaction paper module overview. You have your learning objectives, you have the content. Remember, whatever's in the content should align with the activities that you are going to do for this week. The due dates, pay very careful attention to your due dates for your assignment so that you can get your assignment submitted to me on time when they are due. That's it for this video. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I am usually pretty good about returning your emails, and I will see you in the next video.